Namaste dear readers. Today we will be chanting the Mrityubhaya Shamana Mrityunjaya Stotra, which was composed by sage Markandeya. This stotra is found in texts like Mrityunjaya Panchanga, and this stotra is also found as individual manuscript. Let us chant this stotra today. Om Asya Shri Sadashivastotramantrasya Markandeya Rishiranushtup Chandaha Shri Sadashivo Devata Gauri Shaktihi Mama Samasta Mrityu Shantyarthe Sarvarishta Nivritti Purvaka Sharirarogya Siddhyarthe Mrityunjaya Prityarthe Jape Viniyogaha Om Rudram Pashupatim Sthanum Neelakantamumapatim Namami Shirasa Devam Kimno Mrityuh Karishyati Neelakantham Virupaksham Nirmalam Nirbhayam Prabhum Namami Shirasa Devam Kimno Mrityuh Karishyati Kalakantham Kalamurtim Kalagnim Kalanashanam Namami Shirasa Devam Kimno Mrityuh Karishyati Vamadevam Mahadevam Lokanatham Jagadgurum Namami Shirasa Devam Kimno Mrityuh Karishyati Devadevam Jagannatham Devesham Vrishabhadvajam Namami Shirasa Devam Kimno Mrityuh Karishyati Gangadharam Mahadevam Shankaram Shulapaninam Namami Shirasa Devam Kimno Mrityuh Karishyati Bhasmodulita Sarvangam Nagabharana Bhushitam Namami Shirasa Devam Kimno Mrityuh Karishyati Anandam Paramanandam Kaivalya Padagaminam Namami Shirasa Devam Kimno Mrityuh Karishyati Swargapavarga Dataram Srishtistityantakarinam Namami Shirasa Devam Kimno Mrityuh Karishyati Pralayastiti Kartaram Adikartaram Ishwaram Namami Shirasa Devam Kimno Mrityuh Karishyati Trinetram Panchavaktram Cha Shankaram Shulapaninam Namami Shirasa Devam Kimno Mrityuh Karishyati Markandeya Kritam Stotram Yah Patet Shiva Sannidhau Tasya Mrityubhayam Nasti Satyam Satyam Vadamyaham Shatavartam Prakartavyam Sankate Kashtanashanam Shuchirbhutva Pate Stotram Sarvasiddhi Pradayakam Iti Shri Markandeya Virachitam Mrityunjaya Shivastotram Sampurnam. The Palashruti says, whoever recites this stotra in front of Lord Shiva, for such persons there won't be any fear from death. That means they will be protected from untimely death. It is also prescribed that one must chant this divine hymn for 100 times during sufferings and calamities. This stotra can remove all such sufferings. One, having become clean, can recite this stotra, and this stotra blesses with all kinds of siddhis. Thank you for listening.